Hello guys and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video we're gonna talk about some issues and bugs that you can find and witness in the new Windows 10 October update. In this video I'm gonna give you some details and information about some of these bugs and issues, and also I'm gonna link you down below in the description with an article from our website that will help you fix all these issues. So the first issue would be that some users are unable to update to this new version of Windows. This is a problem that can occur in many other Windows 10 updates, and users have reported a lot this problem, especially on the Microsoft official forum. Another very common issue in the newest Windows 10 updates and also in this new one, the October update, the mouse is unusable. Some users reported that certain features are no longer available. For example, the cut, copy, or paste functions no longer work, and there is also no highlight when they're using their mouse, so that's a very annoying bug or issue that has also been reported by a lot of users. Don't forget, the article with the full solutions for these issues is in the description down below, so you have to check that out in order to fix these issues. Also, files and folders get deleted. This is a very bad problem or bug that you can encounter. Users reported that they lost their documents and photos, music files, and other kind of personal files, so that's a very bad problem. Also, users reported that they cannot use their monitor on 144 Hz. That's also very annoying, but I'm sure that Microsoft will deal with this problem, especially very soon. But until then, check the article from the description because that can help you a lot. Audio stopped working. This is another issue that gets reported in every new Windows update and can occur on every sound card. So if you're encountering this problem, check the article down below. You'll find some solutions for you there as well. Also, controllers are glitchy when playing games like FIFA 19 or other games that are using a controller. You can encounter problems or slight delays or lags in the commands that you're using, so that's again very annoying. Also, another problem that has been reported a lot is that users with laptops and tablets are not able to change their screen brightness after this update. That could be maybe the most annoying problem or issue that you can encounter in the new update. So guys, these are some of the most reported bugs and issues on the new Windows 10 October update. As I've said in this video many times, you'll have in the description down below an article that will have some solutions for you to solve these issues, so don't forget to check that out. So this was the video guys. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any future uploads. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below with problems that you have on your Windows operating system, and we can try to solve your issue in the next video. Until next time, have a nice day.